There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword for. Welcome, coding enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into one of Python's most powerful features, the for loop. This versatile tool is the backbone of iteration in Python, allowing us to traverse through sequences effortlessly. Let's unravel the magic of the for loop together. The for keyword in Python initiates a for loop, a control flow statement that iterates over a sequence, like a list, tuple, dictionary, or string, and executes a block of code for each item. It simplifies tasks that require iteration, making code more readable and efficient. Why use a for loop? Imagine needing to perform an action on each element of a list, or extract every character in a string. With for, you can execute these tasks succinctly without manually managing the iteration process, enhancing code readability and maintainability. The for loop shines in scenarios requiring iteration over items in a collection or sequence. Whether you're processing elements in a list, traversing characters in a string, or iterating over lines in a file, for loops provide a straightforward syntax to accomplish these tasks elegantly. Let's illustrate the power of for with a practical example. In this snippet, we iterate over a list of numbers, adding each one to a total sum. The for loop makes this process concise and clear, demonstrating its capability to iterate over sequences directly. And there you have it, the essence of the for loop, a fundamental feature of Python that brings elegance and power to iteration. Embrace for loops to make your code more expressive and efficient. Stay tuned for more insights into Python's vast features. Don't forget to subscribe for your next step in the Python journey.